Okay, so in this video I will show you how to use BeEF framework with your captive portal web page to gain control over the target web browser. So first off, make sure you have BeEF installed on your system. And in my case I have BeEF installed from GitHub. So here in the BeEF directory I will type /BeEF to start the browser exploitation framework. Now here you can see the hook and the UI link. So in order to attack a browser, you need to include the JavaScript hook URL in a web page. And the UI link is the web interface for the tool. So I will start the web interface by open the link. And here the username is BeEF and password BeEF. And on the left is the hooked browsers panel. And I don't have any target hooked for the moment. So let's see how to hook a browser. And to do that, I'll go back to the terminal and open a new tab. And change directory to /var/www/html. This is the location for the Apache web server where I have the captive portal files. So I will list all the files using ls. And now I will open index.html using nano and the name of the file. And in the head section, you need to add the hook URL. So I will type script src equal and go to BeEF and copy the hook URL and paste it here. And close the script and save the file. Okay, so let's go to the victim machine and connect to the access point. And now the victim will be automatically directed to the login page, which contains the malicious JavaScript hook URL. And to understand better, I will use right click and select view page source. And in the head section, you can see the JavaScript hook, which is executed when the victim loads the web page. Okay, now let's switch to the Kali machine and go to BeEF control panel. And here you can see a hooked browser with the IP address. So at this point you can exploit the victim browser. And to give you an example, I will go to commands and search for alert. And select create alert. And I will type this is a fake network and click the execute button. Okay, now let's go to the victim machine. And here you can see the alert message has appeared. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.